Recently my lovely art studio has looked like this a lot of the time. Absolutely full of bags and boxes, full of tools and paints, all the kit and caboodle I need for running different workshops. And before the last lot I had to make a little trip to the art shop to pick up a few more supplies. Some extra paints to make sure that we have enough for everybody. While I was out, I also got the chance to drop in to my friend's exhibition. She's called Lorna and she's a full-time artist, and she had an exhibition with a few of her friends, and here are some of their paintings. I'll put their details down in the description box if you want to find out more. I'm really not very good at recording footage of workshops because I'm so busy, but here are a few glimpses of some that I've run recently. Some in screen printing, where I'm always amazed by people's creativity and the way that they can master skills in such a short time. And then some other sessions you might recognise a little bit more from what I do on here. Some on drawing and painting mandalas, and on creating Celtic knots. The group of artists I work with to run workshops also recently had an open day, so I've been spending a little bit of time preparing for that too. I decided to make some screen prints. It's been a little while since I made some of my own, but I decided some Christmas cards would be a great thing to be able to take along to the open day. I've already created the designs and I've printed them onto acetate. I just drew them into my iPad straight away and then resized them to fit on the card. I should get 2 cards out of each sheet that I print. And I set up 2 screens, one with each of the different designs. Some snowflakes and some with pine branches. I've got a little homemade lightbox that I use for exposing my images, and it works really, really well with these screens. I've decided on 4 different colours of card to print, but actually the print really didn't look very good on the light green, so I didn't make any more of those. So I've got red, dark blue and dark green, and I print in gold ink on all of them. And when I finish printing and the ink is all dry, the cards can be assembled by being cut, scored, folded, and matched with an envelope and a little protective bag. I don't need a huge number, but I want enough to stock the table for the open day. I put them together with some prints and paintings that I've already made. Again, all neatly packaged up with cardboard to protect them, and labelled and priced. Just enough to set up my little table at the open day. But that's not the only preparation I've been doing. I've also been looking through all of the paintings and artworks that I've made over the last few months and trying to work out which I'm happy with that I'm going to list in my online shop. I've been working predominantly in blues, so the whole thing should look nice and cohesive together. Even if the subjects are slightly different, the colour palette should keep everything looking nice and cohesive. And I just spent a little time preparing and photographing everything. I've ordered some mounts cut to the right sizes so that you could have a painting ready with a mount perfect to pop into a frame. and I ordered a couple of frames in the sizes that I need. These are not for sale, they're just for me to be able to photograph so that I can show what the paintings look like, so you can get an idea of what they look like on your wall. The process of photographing them is not very high tech. I use a piece of mount board and put it in a place with lots of natural light. Underneath these two windows is the best place in my flat for this, and I use my camera on this downward facing tripod to get really sharp and clear images. Then it's just a case of uploading them to my website and writing the email that's going to invite everybody to come and have a look and see what I've got. That email is going out this weekend. So if you're interested at all, there'll be a link for that down below. So thanks very much for watching today. It's been a bit of an unusual video, but I hope you've liked a little bit of a glimpse behind the scenes of what else goes on in my artistic life. So I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, bye bye.